How serious is the issue of unqualified truck drivers on American highways and local roads?
If somebody gets a license that they didn't earn, everyone else on the road is taking the risk with them. At the end of the day, you ask yourself, would you want someone who cuts corners in training uh, drivers next to a school bus with your kids on it? I know I wouldn't. On average, it takes about 2, 3 years to become a well-rounded long distance truck driver because you're learning everything. Think about it. Do you think the crew of the Artemis 2 was randomly picked? They were specialized training. They had specialized training for specialized vehicles for a reason, and it should be no different here, because lives are on the line every day as the trucking industry keeps America's supply chain running.